welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So before we get into the video, I dyed my hair. If you can't tell, if you don't watch my channel regularly, you probably don't know, but I actually dyed my hair over the weekend. So this is what you're gonna be seeing for a hot minute. I don't know how long this is gonna be a thing, but I don't know how it looks on camera either, so I hope it looks cool. Yeah, I don't know. I'm really excited. I like it a lot. So just wanted to get the elephant in, wait, how does that saying go? I just wanted to talk about the elephant in the room. That's what I was trying to say. But anyways, today we are unboxing my Lunar Beauty mystery box. So I ordered the Half Moon, is that right? Yes, Half Moon mystery box on Black Friday, and it shipped out the 2nd, and I got it today, which is Monday the 9th. Shipping wasn't too bad, but there was a point in time where my tracking would not update. I had no idea where the box was, and it just like went MIA, and then it reappeared and it's here now. So fingers crossed is everything's okay. This is the $70 box, so I got the middle box, not the biggest one and not the little one. I got the middle one. Okay, I have little scissors here to open it. So let's open it up. I'm really excited. So the only products I have from Lunar Beauty are the Strawberry Dream collection. I have the Strawberry Dream palette and the two liquid lipsticks and lip gloss. I don't have anything else from Lunar Beauty, so I'm pretty excited. I'm nervous. I don't know what I got. I've seen some people's stuff, so I have an inkling for what I got, but I don't know how to do this. Oh God. This is what the inside looks like. Can you see inside? This is a pretty big box. So let's, okay. I'm just gonna put it on the floor, I'm sorry. The first thing is this, it's napped. It's wrapped very cutely, so let's open it up. What did I get? I can't open it. Ooh, oh, okay. So this is the Greek Goddess color palette from Lunar Beauty. This is what it looks like. I'm excited because I do not have this. Let's hope nothing's broken. I'm gonna be devastated if something's broken. Okay, whoa. Okay, I'm dropping everything. Whoa, look at this packaging. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Ah, beautiful, okay. Wow, this is a really nice palette. This is a really nice like neutrally palette with like some like a purple and a blue, and we have like a really dark brown, but it's really pretty. So I have not used this, obviously. I only have used the Strawberry Dream, and I love the Strawberry Dream, so I'm very excited to have this one. The packaging is stunning. Next up we have, what is this? What is this? Oh, it's a highlight powder. Oh my God, sorry. This packaging is so cute. Wow. Honestly, Manny really knows what he's doing with the packaging. Okay, wait. Oh my God, look at how it just came off. That is so cute. Okay, wow, Aaron freaking out. Oh, it says right here, it's the Moon Prism Powder, which is the highlight powder, highlight thing, obviously. God, I don't know what I'm talking about. I sound like a moron. Okay, the packaging is absolutely beautiful. Wow. And I think he said this is like a Sailor Moon inspired thing. This is definitely way too deep for me as a highlight, so I might use this as a blush. I might use it as a blush, but I might be able to use this as like a blushy or blushy topper, because this is definitely not going to work as a highlight for me. It's just way too deep, but the packaging is, wow, look at that. That's so pretty. Okay, the next things I'm seeing, okay, so this is a repeat for me. This is the Lunar Beauty liquid lipstick in Dreamsicle from the Strawberry Dream collection. So I am not going to open this because I have this. So, but I also got the liquid lipstick in the shade Aphrodite, which I don't know what it looks like. So let's pop it out. Oh, okay. So it's like a red. Ooh, okay. This is what it looks like. I love his packaging. It's so pretty. Wow, okay, this is really pretty. Okay, that's beautiful. It smells delicious. So I'm going to definitely keep this one because I don't have it. Okay, I also got a little necklace. I'm pretty sure I saw other people get this, so I know what it is, I think, but I'm excited. Yes, oh my God, it's so cute. It's a little moon necklace. Oh my God, look at how cute that is. Oh my God, can you see that? Please tell me you can see that. Look at how freaking cute that is. Oh my God, it's so dainty and pretty. Oh, that's so cute. So I'm really excited about this. And then I also got some sweatpants, which is pretty cool. Okay, wait, oh yeah, here we go. Ooh, this is loud, sorry. Oh my God, yeah, these are really cute. They have a little stitching of the moon right here, which is obviously his logo. And this is so cute. They're just like little like cuffed like jogger pants. They have the little scrunching at the bottom. These are super cute. And I got these in the size large because I just like to wear baggier clothing like this, but they feel really soft and I like the material and they look really cute. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, and they have pockets. Oh, they have pockets. That's nice. Okay, yes. That's nice. I'm excited for these. Okay, so that is all I got in the box. I want to really quick total the amount of everything in the box to see how much of a... I want to see how much the value of the box actually is because I paid $70. So I'm going to add it all up and see what I get. Okay, so I'm looking online to give you guys prices. So the Greek Goddess palette retails for $48. The Jupiter Moon Prism powder is $26. Both of these lipsticks are $18 a piece. And then when I look for the prices online for the necklace and the sweatpants, I can't find them. I can't find them at all. I don't know why. It says they're sold out, but it doesn't like list a price at all. Yeah, it just says they're sold out, but it doesn't say how much. So I would assume the sweatpants are probably around $45. Oh, the necklace, it says right here, the necklace is $30. So the necklace is $30. And it's the Celestial necklace. Yeah, it's a Celestial necklace, but I don't know how much the pink joggers are. So I would say $45 or $50. I think if I had to estimate, I think that's how much it would be. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with the box. You definitely get a higher value than what you pay. I only paid $70. Technically, I paid $77 because of shipping. I didn't have $75 to get free shipping, so it was $77. And I only got one repeat, which is the Lunar Beauty. Why am I keep saying Lunar Beauty like you don't know that this is the Lunar Beauty mystery box? Hello. This is the liquid lipstick in Dreamsicle, which I have, but I don't have anything else, which I am very, very excited about. And I thought this was a pretty good box. I would definitely consider buying another box. I think it'll be even better when he releases more and more makeup. I think the more options he has to make it a little bit more random, the better it will get. I feel like I saw everyone's boxes, so I pretty much knew what I was going to get. I knew I was either getting the Greek Goddess palette or the Life's a Drag palette, so I knew that. And then I knew I was going to get a Moon Prism highlight and probably a lipstick. I had seen the necklace and the joggers as well, so it wasn't too big of a surprise for me, unfortunately. But I do think the mystery boxes will keep getting better and better as he releases more and more products. So yeah, guys, that was me unboxing my half moon. Is that what it's called? The half moon Lunar Beauty mystery box. That thing is a tongue twister. Overall, I'm pretty excited. Let me know if you guys ended up getting a Lunar Beauty mystery box and what you received in yours. Let me know if you think it is worth it, if you will keep getting them. And yeah, just let me know you guys' thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Think about subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!